Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I'm back with a brand new video. And I mean, before we get into the video, and you need to subscribe to the channel right now. Just don't look in, subscribe to it. All right, you can look in, but subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell below. All right, and subscribe. So we're about to take you on a makeup journey right now. And I'm saying, first thing first, we're gonna start off with a brush. We're gonna brush up the face, nice it up, just brush, whatever you wanna call it, you can call it, but I call it a brush. With a comb on the next side. Yeah. Okay, we're about to get into some brown powder. Yeah, we're about to get into the brown powder part of it, yeah. We have some water there. Yeah. Alright, we just wanna make sure it's moist and nice. This is gonna fit the face nice, So we're gonna brighten up the eyeline. Okay, we're about to brighten up the brows right now. Yo, the brows already looked on flick. Wicked. Yeah. So the brows is brightening up right now. Some pro concealer. Yeah, we got some pro concealer right now. So we're gonna paste the face with that right now. So I think she's looking for the sponge. No, I'm wrong. Damn, man. Yeah, alright, cool. We working. We cooking with gas. Come on, you gotta do it more faster than that, man. You slow on this job, yo. So we're working in the concealer right now. We call it the Pro Concealer. You know what I mean? As you can see, this one match your face, you know what I mean? Suit the face, the skin color and everything. Yeah. You cannot do a makeup and don't use Pro Concealer. You can use any other concealer, but this one is the bomb. So yeah, we get the brush, we make sure that we moist it in nice. Make sure it, you know what I mean? Get the face all smooth and big. Yeah. So we're about to get some eyeshadow. Yeah, we're about to get the eyeshadow right now. Working in with the eyeshadow, working in. Yeah. We're gonna give the eye a little lift there. Catch all the corners. Yeah. I'm working. Ladies, if you need some advice on your makeup, you can link me, Yeah. You can just link me. This is my first students. Yeah, come on. Yeah. You got it right. For those who don't know, that's a foundation. That's the foundation. She's working. So she gotta get the foundation in smooth and nice. Like when you cast in a yard with cement, or you gotta cast it smooth. Yeah. You don't want no rough look on the face when she finished there. So as you can see, yeah, it's baking in nice. A lot of people don't know you can even just base your face like this and just leave it like this and go on the road. Does it already look cute? Yeah. Instead of putting in the mucho. The old folks say mucho. Yeah. She's working. Come on. I think you need to get a bigger sponge next time. So just make one wipe on your face and all gone in. More concealer? Okay. Come on, babes. You're getting me tired here, man. Come on. Work a little faster. That's what I was talking about. You need to get a bigger sponge. So you make one wipe, everything gone in your face. Nice. The sponge too small. Look at it. Basically, what she's doing is she's covering the eye bags, I should think. Am I right? Yeah, she's covering the eye bags. You know, a lot of people get this all those little black line around the eyes and stuff like that. So she's trying to cover that. I think she have that on her face. Yeah, so she's trying to get rid of all those black marks and yeah. Some people call it polka dot marks or polka dot whatever. Yeah. This is some powder. What's that? Almonds powder? I can't really see. No. That don't really look like brown powder. It look like a cream powder. Is it a cream powder? Ladies and gentlemen, it's a cream powder. She's working. She's working. Come on, man. Come on. I'm so anxious to see you finish, yo. This is my first student. She's working. Alright, turn it up a notch. Turn it up a notch. Turn it up a notch. Is that an eye pencil? Ah, don't tell me you're gonna draw a wing. A lot of these girls drawing this wing now. Come on, let me see if you're gonna get it good. Let me song an effects to you. She's working, she's working, she's working, she's working. Ah, that's a wing. What type of wing is that? Let me see. I don't think she finished. She gotta brighten up that wing more. Is that a bird wing? Anyway, you look good. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Just don't look in. A lot of people just look and don't want to subscribe, so you need to subscribe, right? I need a beer, man. Anyway, wrong yourself beer. Come on, come on, come on. Working it, working it, working it. Okay, she back on the brows again. Like seriously, back on the brows. She's working around the eyeball. Be careful before you bore your eyes. Awesome mascara. Come on, brighten it up, 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 brighten it up. She's hot. You need to put on your fan. Or if you have AC, turn on your AC. You can't put on makeup and you don't have AC or a fan. Come on, friend. What's that? Oh, some mascara. She's still working around the eyes. Be careful. Just working around the eyes, working around the eyes, giving that bright look. Yeah. You sure it's not lashes you putting in? Everything looking so bright. She's working around the bags of the eye. So they call it eye bag. Yeah, the eye bag. Alright. She got just a mini makeup kit, you could call it. If you don't want to walk with your big makeup bag, you got the mini makeup kit with all different color powders inside. Yeah, so she's basing. Come on, work on the face, man. Work on the face. Work on the face. You're taking too. Taking too long. In the whole world, love it when you sing that song. Tap, tap, tap. Again? You just show me the thing just now? Oh. She working around the big lips. Okay. Alright, that's it. That's the finishing. Oh, jeez, no. A while ago, I thought we finished. Okay. I think that's the finishing touch right here. Because the last thing that go on is the lipstick. Yeah. That's it. Rub some more. A little bit more, enough. Stop digging your ears, friend. People say sanitize your hand before you touch your nose, your ears, and your mouth. And that's it. What's that, a cell phone? No. Another brown powder kit again? Jesus Christ, y'all. What this world is coming to. Huh. Yo. I now see why men give women like 3 hours to dress, 2 hours to the makeup, and 1 hour for your clothes. We don't have patience. Seriously, we don't have patience. It don't make no sense you take 2 hours to put on your makeup and you go to the party, spend 3 hours and still gotta come and take it off. All this work for going to spend 2 hours in the party. What's this now? Alright, she giving the lip a little lift. You know? Yeah. A while ago I see she kissed the lips them together, but probably it wasn't too sticky, so trying to get it more sticky. So when she talks, she get that stick look. Come on, working it, that's it. Okay, that's the base of the face, so that's gonna hold the makeup. So when she walk in the sun, the makeup is not gonna be running like Kool-Aid all over her skin. Yeah. You look beautiful, baby. Give her a round of applause. Okay, people, make sure you subscribe to the channel, right?